How to take a scrolling screenshot in Google Chrome on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first thing, you will go to your Google Chrome. Then you can go to any website. Let's say, for example, YouTube. I'm going to use YouTube. So you'll go to youtube.com. Then once you are on your YouTube, you are going to see these three dots on your top right corner. Click on them. Then you will come to more tools. Highlight on it. Then at the bottom there, you are going to click on developer tools. So you are going to see this thing on your right. So click on this icon here. Ensure that it has been selected. The color of the icon has changed to green. Then you will come here and click on these three dots here. Then you will come to this option, capture full size screenshot. So click on it. Then it will load the screenshot for YouTube. So as you can see, the screenshot has been downloaded. So I'm going to click on it to open it. As you can see, this is the screenshot. Now if you zoom in, you are going to see that the screenshot is very long, and these are the videos which I have not loaded, and the screenshot is very clear. As you can see, the screenshot is very clear if you zoom in. So this is for YouTube. Now if you want to take another screenshot of any website, let's say you want to take a screenshot for any website, let's say the screenshot of this page. So you can take the screenshot of this page. You just go to those three dots, then go to more tools, then go to developer tools. Then ensure that this icon has been selected. Then once you've done that, you will click on those three dots, then capture full size screenshot. So ensure that you have scrolled down and all of this page has been loaded. So once you've done that, you will now go to the three dots, then capture full size screenshot. Then the screenshot will download, as you can see here. Then just click on it to open it. So this is the screenshot. So you can use this offline. You can just download it and you can be using it offline. It will save your data. So I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.